I'd like to introduce you to the Photoshop AI Assistant. Check this out. Right in here, you have edits that it will give you and prompts. But check this out. I want it to fact check my design. So this is how I'd use it as a professional, because I'm realizing my design, Friday is June 19th, not Saturday. So next thing I could do is translate everything to French and then save it as a new file name. So this goes for sort of all the text layers. And yeah, we can take a look. We can see it change right there. And it saves that new file. And then I can make some adjustments. Obviously, I need to align the text a little bit more, but you get the idea. It actually made that file. So another thing I want to do is kind of clean it up. Let's clean it up based on the layer contents. I want to name those layers. And if a layer is not visible, then just delete it because we're cleaning this up. So right up in here, boom. Gorgeous. These are actual layers that are being used. We can see everything being renamed. And now I have a nice, neat file, which is fantastic. Now, I could also take this a step further because I need more languages. So I need Spanish. So duplicate it and call it Skull Spanish PSD and do the same thing for Portuguese, Italian, and of course, I'm going to throw German in there. So throwing other languages at it to translate and to make new files. So that's what's happening right now. We can see that change, right? It's making that one, but it's doing the production for me. And I encourage you to like throw anything at it and just see what happens. But this is how I'm using it as production cases. And sure enough, there's 6 posters and it's good to go. And that is the Photoshop AI Assistant currently in the Photoshop public beta that you can find in your Creative Cloud desktop app.